English delights, the sweetness of peach jam. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into the delectable world of phrases by exploring the term peach jam. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's spread the knowledge. First, let's understand the individual words. Peach. A soft, round, slightly furry fruit with sweet yellow flesh and pinkish orange, red, or sometimes yellow skin. Jam. A sweet spread or preserve made from fruit and sugar, cooked until the fruit is very soft and has broken down. So when we combine these two words, we get the term peach jam, which refers to a sweet spread made from peaches. In many cultures, jams, including peach jam, are often used at breakfast time on toast, bread, or pastries. They can also be found in some desserts or as a filling for certain types of cakes. Moreover, the term peach is sometimes used in English to describe someone or something that is exceptionally nice or pleasant. For example, "You're a real peach." This isn't directly related to peach jam, but it's good to know the diverse ways in which the word peach can be used. To make sure you've got it, let's look at some examples. 1. Would you like some peach jam on your toast? 2. My grandmother makes the best homemade peach jam. 3. I bought a jar of peach jam from the farmer's market. Remember, like all jams, peach jam is generally sweet and is not used in savory or salty dishes. And there we have it. The next time you come across a jar labeled peach jam, or hear someone mention it, you'll know exactly what it is. Keep spreading your English knowledge just as you'd spread that delicious peach jam on a slice of bread. Stay sweet, and keep learning.